Tell me who to be. I be walking on the moon, off the shrooms and the lean. Got a grip on the world, I'm okay with who I am. I feel free, watch me soar, I love counting up the ends. It's gon' be a good day, I'ma have a good day, cause I had a long night. Rolling with my niggas and they never switching sides. Smoke a OZ, man, I love to get high. New whip, too quick for them fuck niggas. Can't vibe with you, I don't even fuck with you. Like a bad dream, felt like I was stuck with you. But now I'm up, bitch, you wanna fall in love, how? How I feel, man, I'm feeling great. Roll it backwood, take it to the face. Remember I was down, but I wanna race. I left my town, pull up in a rave. I live out of town, pull up in a rave. Talk to my accountant, 100 in the bank. Yeah, so it's fuck what you please put on that one beat. Some serious gourmet shit. When the world end, I'ma be with you. It doesn't matter if you hot or if you cool. Nah, niggas want you dead, it's unconnected, I'm a fool. Get you in the water, you related to the pool. Now I'm swimming in and getting tan. I'm a grand when I'm in the pen. And grilling damn, I scared like some cinnamon. Just that revenge and friends and some winners, man. And I'm the man too. Can I be a spider too? I don't know, can you? This is just my clan, we gon' run it until we can't do. In the world of end be forgotten, that's all you can do. Plan to run up your bands and buy some canned food. What you doing with your time? Ain't doing shit you could, your ass get caught, spit a run. Get off your ass there in the clouds, I bet you wish you fly. $1 million on the street, I bet the picture fly. Inside your head, I go to bed and stress that shit online. And read the book my mama gave me, and I owe it to that lady. Kill this shit and fix my mind. I'ma crack the cover, keep a grip up on the spine. I ain't read a book and lucky, and maybe it's fine. World and I'ma be with you. World and at least I read it through. This time I know, there's no looking back. It's all in the past, all that you go. The love that we had is making me sad, you keep saying you hate me. All that you go. The love that we had is making me sad, so I let you do what you want, and now you end me out. They say girl is a gun, but don't tempt me, cause I'm taking a chance. Put the gun in my hands, playing Russian roulette till she's empty. No, I don't wanna die young, and hopeless. So, if I'm gonna die young, just in case I die young, I wrote this. All these these changes. Fuck it, don't make me play this. Break up, make up, and we do it again. This time I know there's no looking back. It's all in the past. I'll let you go. The love that we had is making me sad. You keep saying you hate me. I'll let you go. The love that we had is making me sad, so I let you. She's the poster that I'm hanging in my mind, right? She's so sweet, but she caught me on my blind side. You know it's true, I'm fucked up too. You know I'm always coming back for you, cause every time I see you make me wanna rewind. Love wins out, so I'm throwing up a peace sign. You know it's true, I'm bad for you. That's just some shit that I've been going through. All these changes, fuck it, don't make me play this. Break up, make up, and we do it again. This time I know